Hi, it's Andy Lockwood, and I wanted to give you some tips on how to negotiate with a college, specifically how to improve a lousy financial aid offer. A lot of parents don't even think they can do this, and I don't blame them because most colleges don't admit on the record that they will negotiate. So I want to give you a couple of tips on how to improve a lousy financial aid offer after it's been awarded. The first tip is understanding that you can do this. You can approach the financial aid office and say, hey, I was hoping that you would reassess our financial aid award in light of these circumstances that you may not have been aware of when we filed the application. Because college financial aid offices will look at your application and review it based on your formulas, meaning your expected family contribution, which is comprised of your income, your assets, and all sorts of other things. But they will also take a look at your financial aid applications in light of non-formulaic factors. So what do I mean by that? Well, one example is, you fill out your financial aid applications based on what happened in the base income year. So if you have someone graduating in 2014, your base year is the year before that, 2013. But if you were, let's say, laid off, or you're self-employed in your business and saw a downturn toward the end of 2013, but you still showed a good income on your tax returns for 2013, that's a misleading financial aid application that you've created because it's retroactive. It shows what happened in the past, not what is happening currently. So a financial aid office will will reassess your financial aid award based on non-formulaic factors, including unexpected loss of income. Another example is unexpected expense. Let's say you had to go to the hospital, or you had a relative move in, and a parent or something move in, and you need to spend money to take care of them. Expenses are not part of the financial aid formulas at all, and an unexpected medical expense is, I guess, double not part of the financial aid formulas. So that's another ground for appeal. A third ground for appeal is, and this is a little trickier, because most colleges will say we don't consider this stuff, but in my experience they do. What I'm talking about is another competitive financial aid award from another college that the college in question competes with. So in other words, it's not just about kids chasing after colleges. The colleges themselves are chasing after kids. So one example I like to talk about a lot is Cornell University, because that's where Pearl went. She's making a face at me behind this video, like she always does, but that's a separate issue. Cornell will say, we will reassess your award. We will consider your financial aid award under the following three conditions. You have to meet one of them. Unexpected loss of income, number one. Number two, unexpected expense. And number three, an offer from another Ivy League college or an offer from any of the following schools. And then it lists some competitor schools. It's right there in black and white. I think that's pretty cool. Now, a lot of colleges say, no, we don't do this. We don't, we're going to give you our highest and best offer. My response to them is, if that were the case, then how come every year I see examples where we improve financial aid awards? We don't always improve them. Sometimes we strike out. But last year we got someone an extra $38,000. The year before, an extra $30,000+. It's very commonplace to see awards increases of $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. By the way, these are all per year awards, $38,000 per year. So my advice to you is don't assume that you've gotten the best offer. Always ask. My last comment that I want to make to you is that if you have a junior, meaning class of 2015, the best thing you can do to improve your chances when you negotiate with a college is choose your list of schools strategically. If you're a senior, it's a little too late for that. But if you're a junior, this is the time to be expanding your list of schools, not only for best fit or best football team on Saturdays, or best sticker on the rear window of a car in your neighborhood, but also schools that strategically, historically have competed with one another. Okay, so I've talked a lot more about how the financial aid formulas work and how to improve your chances of getting $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a year, even if you make a six-figure income. I also give more details on how to negotiate. I walk through an actual negotiation example, an actual letter, at my workshops. And I've got 3 this week, and I've got a whole bunch more teed up the rest of the month and the rest of 2013. So please check out the link at the bottom of this page, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.